Squad mate 07 is now in your vicinity and remaining covert.
Caution. 07 locking into your hut, sir.
Getting acquainted with the locals, eh, Sev?
That was fun.
Where's Sunfac?
In the next room, boss. Don't worry. I saved some targets for you guys.
Moving to cover. Sunfac is making a run for the door. Stop him.
He's made it through.
Delta lead. It is absolutely vital that Sunfac not escape.
Super battle droids.
Damn, they concentrate your squad's fire on single targets to penetrate their armor. Scrap heap. Give me that 3-8. I'm reading a power transfer to Sunfac Spider.
Breach that door, Delta.
Initiating breach maneuver.
Abort that breach, Delta.
Yes, sir. 6-2 powering up.
Delta, begin moving.
Yes, sir. Detonator placed. Clear.
Grenade!
Let's go.
There he is, outside the shield.
Delta lead, assign 07 to sniper position. We need a target on Sunfac. Sunfac is making a run for it.
Sev, ready to fire.
Sunfac Spider is warming up. Delta, what are you doing? He's taking off! Now you've lost! Woo-hoo! Yeah! I love that smell! All I smell is burnt Geonosian. 3-8, my scanners show an explosion. That's affirmative. Subject terminated. See that? A crack in my Geonosian. Confirmed. So identified. I'll check the intelligence databanks. Move on, Deltas. There's no time to celebrate, Deltas. As you already know, 3-6's squad has been incapacitated. Their mission was to disable the droid factory in this sector. Your squad has been retasked for this purpose. Proceed to the elevator. Intelligence indicates that there are several factories buried deep underground, but they are impenetrable to our large assault forces. Heat signatures emanating from this spire tell us there is a factory below. Neutralizing one of these factories will tip the scales in our favor for the surface battle. Our scanners cannot pinpoint the factory's exact location because of a jamming device located near your current position. First, disable the jamming device. Once that is accomplished, I can guide you to your main target. Our communication be sporadic. Inside, so you're on your own until that...
Signal lost, sir. Two battles, just get...
Warriors! Target terminated.
Light him, blast him.
Sniper mode. Initiate door breach, Commando.
Absolutely, sir. Placing breach charge. All clear. Fire in the hole! Go! Engage hostile! That smell. They're harvesting Fidna resin, highly explosive in its raw form.
Good take, Lee.
I hear machinery below. Looks like we're on the right track.
That means we get to kill some more bugs, right?
Will you look at this place?
Multiple targets on the bridge.
Lead, looks like a good place for a little sniper action.
Let's form up.
Forming up, boss.
Moving to cover, awaiting orders. Hostile exterminated. Reloading. Down to one.
Scared me? Oh. Hope he's dead.
That doesn't sound good. Must be the battle upstairs.
Back to...
Get yourself some Vector, Commander.
On my way. I'm good to go, Deltas. Commando healed.
This place gives me the creeps. What are these strange egg-like things?
Looks like we're in some sort of Geonosian birthing chamber, gentlemen.
What do you know? They are eggs.
Let's give them a wide berth just to be safe.
Just when you think they can't get any more disgusting. Rule 17. Always make sure they're dead.
Taking position, boss. Target area in view. I'm shooting, boss.
Company coming, squad.
For the cause.
Kill them before they kill you.
This one's dead.
Take offensive formation. Let's form up.
Forming up, sir. Droids encountered.
Fire them from there, Delta.
Moving into position.
There's the jamming device, but it's shielded. Controls to that shield must be nearby.
Take that.
The jamming device is interfering with my visuals. Begin snipe maneuver, Delta.
Yes, sir.
Ready, weapons.
There's a computer console at the opposite end of this room. Must control the shield to the jamming device.
I'm tapped out.
Give us some sniper shields down. Let's blow that jamming device.
Yeah, we'll get right on that.
Place a charge on the jamming device.
Setting charge. Need some cover here.
Back it up, Delta.
On my way.
Boss.
Stand back, Delta.
Nice work. Communications coming back online. Initial scans show a large complex one level below your current location. Make your way through the opening behind the jamming device. There is a ledge at the end of this shaft. You can rappel to the lower level from that ledge.
Let's get down to the lower level.
Right behind you, squad leader.
Stay alert. I'm reading a sudden surge of activity in your area. Vent shafts leading to the factory are located on the opposite side of the spire from your location.
Figures.
My readings are unable to find a way across the spire to the factory.
Take up snipe position,
with this
Commando.
one.
They don't stand a chance against me. Find cover.
Good to go, sir.
What the hell was that?
Geonosian Elite. Watch out for the lasers.
Perfect shot, Commando.
Heal up, Delta.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. All patched up, sir.
Delta, form up.
Just like the simulator. Got it, sir.
Take up snipe position, Commando.
Ready, weapon.
Commando heal.
We got Delta, form up.
Affirmative. Getting back to...
Take cover. Set up a barricade at the end of the bridge. Let's get a charge set on that crate. Use a hole here, Deltas.
Setting charge.
07, ready for combat.
Give us some sniping, Commander.
Moving to your mark. Got one.
Explosives prime, squad.
Take cover, Delta.
Good work, Deltas.
Keep moving, Deltas.
Nice shot. Good boy.
Let's use this clear line of fire.
On my way. Good to go, sir.
Pack it up, Delta.
I can do this all day. Take position, boss.
Never saw it coming. Setting charge. Get some cover here. Just about there. Charge is ready when you are, sir.
Fire in the hole.
Excellent.
Give us some sniping, Commander.
Moving into position.
Abandoned position, Delta.
Just like the simulator. I got it.
On my way. Scorch, in position.
No way across. Looks like we're gonna have to make our own bridge. A well-placed bomb at the bottom of the spire might create a bridge.
Always get the tough jobs.
Try aiming instead of talking, bugs.
Target destroyed.
Take cover, Delta. Delta, form up.
Don't move. Generating backup.
Clear.
Nice work, Deltas. The factory is directly across from your current position, Deltas.
You lose.
Commando healed.
Heal up, Delta.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Never say no to backup.
The factory is at the other end of this ventilation shaft. Hurry.
Moving to cover.